Tonight, a COVID-19 vaccine for kids under 5 may be one step closer to reality. Pfizer is looking to be the first authorized vaccine for that age group.
More than 10 million kids in the U.S. have had COVID to date, and Pfizer says there's an urgent need for this right now. Fox 12's Audrey Wheel joins us live with how families feel about it and what vaccines could mean for childcare. Audrey?
Well, this authorization would be for kids 6 months old up to 5 years old, and it comes as Omicron has really taken a toll on kids. It's affecting child care centers, including staff and families here at Mary's Little Lambs. The entire pandemic, there was not one COVID case at Mary's Little Lambs. That is until the Omicron surge.
In the last month, we've had plenty of cases come through here.
Owner Mary Kiter says Omicron hit so fast and hard, they had to close down for a bit.
We closed a couple weeks ago for about a week, hoping that we can just go under the radar, but that was not the case because the following week we had to shut down a few classrooms.
She says the hardest part for them is nearly all of their kids are under 5, not eligible for vaccination and not required to wear masks. Whenever any of them are exposed to a positive case, they have to quarantine. Here, that means any student who's a close contact of someone with COVID can't come for 10 days. But if kids ages 6 months to 5 years old become eligible for COVID vaccination, that would change.
It can mean a lot that they can, we don't have to shut down classrooms, and they can stay and care, and their parents don't have to take time off work.
I'm excited about it. I think it's been a long time coming.
Laura Stifler has a 4-year-old and a 1.5-year-old.
Parents of kids that are under 5 have just been kind of in this weird limbo stage where we have to have our kids in daycare in order to do our jobs, and it doesn't really feel super safe sending them all the time when you know that they're super vulnerable.
She's hoping Pfizer gets the green light for the youngest kids soon to make life a little easier. And Pfizer will be asking for authorization for the first 2 doses in a planned 3-dose vaccine. The FDA Vaccine Advisory Committee will be meeting to talk about this 2 weeks from today. So we will keep you posted on what goes on there. Reporting live in Beaverton, Audrey Wheel, Fox 12 Oregon.